Hey there, AI enthusiasts and curious minds. It's me, Mentis. If you've been desperately wanting to learn AI, but you just don't know where to start, don't worry, we've got you covered. Join us as we open the doors on the inaugural Learning Lab in Lowlyland for a jam-packed and incredibly valuable 90-minute Zoom session full of real-use AI learning possibilities. We're opening the doors to everybody. Even if you have zero experience using AI, you can come and learn along with us. We'll get started with a quick review of our instructional video on YouTube titled Studio Sound on a Garage Budget, Using AI to Get Super Crisp Audio with Any Microphone, so that you can get real-use studio quality sound whenever you like from the comfort of your own home. Then we'll take a deep dive into ChatGPT, starting from the basics and quickly getting into the more advanced beta features, so that you can gain the results you require with pinpoint accuracy. We'll teach you how to use plugins, code interpreter, and custom instructions to unlock the full power of purchasing the ChatGPT Plus subscription, allowing you to supercharge even more of your AI experience and step ahead of the average user. Lastly, we'll take a look at 11 Labs, where you can produce professional, polished content with a custom AI narrator trained on your own voice, just like the one you're hearing right now. And you can learn all of this in just 1.5 hours. Super fast, real practical use AI training. And as an added bonus, at the end of the Zoom conference, I'll be doing a question and answer session. Ask me anything about AI, live and in person. So you're probably wondering, am I going to be charging some exorbitant price for this workshop? The honest answer is, hell no. I wanted to make this workshop super affordable for all, to allow everybody a chance to try out AI learning for themselves. So what is the price of this workshop then? $15 USD. That's it. This is the cheapest kickstart into learning AI, and it is absolutely value-packed and full of real-use information. Join us on the 19th of September, or September 19th, whichever you prefer, and prepare yourselves to step into a world of opportunities. The threads of potential that will start branching out before you after this one short workshop are going to change your worldview. You're going to realize how much potential artificial intelligence has to bring your current skill sets to a professional level. Luminary Club members have had their entry covered by their membership, but the gates are open for you too, and it's only $15. That's less than the cost of lunch for genuinely applicable training. However, there's not much time left to go, so book your ticket quickly before you miss out. Click on the link in the comments section to gain access, and I can't wait to teach you how to get ahead of the game. I look forward to seeing you on September 19th.